Imagine uncovering a newly listed IPO stock with untapped potential, poised to rise above the crowd. That's exactly what I will dive into today as we explore Winstar Capital Berhad, set to debut on the ACE market of Bursa Malaysia this Thursday, 19 December. Why am I so excited about this stock? Because I have uncovered some intriguing catalysts that, if executed well, could propel Winstar Capital to incredible heights. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these golden opportunities. So stay tuned until the very end. Last month, I shared my first impression on Winstar Capital, highlighting its promise as a new player in the aluminium industry. With no historical stock chart available, I had to think outside the box. That's when it struck me. The stock market isn't just about the past, it's also about the future. By analyzing the growth prospect and key drivers that could shape a company's journey, we can gain valuable insights into its potential performance. Now, let's jump right in and uncover the game-changing catalyst that could make Winstar Capital a rising star in the aluminum industry. Imagine cities designed with lightweight, durable, and sustainable materials. Winstar Capital Berhad is at the forefront of this transformation, shaping tomorrow's urban landscape with innovative aluminum solutions. Why choose Winstar? With over 20 years of experience in aluminum extrusion, Winstar produces high-quality aluminum profiles tailored for industries like construction, solar energy, and manufacturing. For example, a property developer needing custom aluminum window frames can rely on Winstar for precision-engineered products that meet strict quality standards. Second, diverse products offerings. Winstar's expertise extends across multiple segments. The first one is aluminum profiles, which is used in products like sliding doors, casement windows, and solar PV mounting structures. Second, fabricated products, which includes ready-to-use items like aluminum ladders. Third, trading and distribution segment. Under these segments, Winstar supplies building materials including stainless steels, sealants, ironmongery, and etc. For example, a contractor building eco-friendly homes can source solar mounting structures and window frames directly from Winstar, ensuring consistency and quality. Now it comes to driving innovation in the solar energy sector. By collaborating with Sunview Group, Winstar has entered into the solar PV market by manufacturing mounting structures and providing installation services. For example, a solar energy company needing installation-ready components can now partner with Winstar for efficient and durable aluminum solutions tailored to project specifications. So, who are Winstar's customers? I'm not exaggerating, but Winstar is serving more than 3,000 clients across construction, property development, and manufacturing sector. Its top 5 customers, contributing less than 31% of its total revenue, reflect the company's stability and diversified customer base. For example, a construction firm working on a high-rise project sources aluminum profiles from Winstar for window and door frames. Meanwhile, smaller clients order specialized components, ensuring Winstar caters to projects of all sizes. Winstar's IPO aims to raise up to RM 19.79 million to expand its production line, which will help to boost its annual production capacity by 1.3 times X to 15,285 tons by Q3 2026. By going IPO to raise funds, it can also help to enhance its financial stability by reducing its total gearing and improve its cash flow. Now, Winstar could also introduce equity-based incentive for key hires as a way to attract talents. Winstar triple for PE and growth momentum. Let's break it down. According to Winstar's IPO prospectus, the company posted a profit after tax or PAT of RM 8.02 million in financial year 2023, With an IPO price of 35 cents and a market cap of RM 101.5 million, this translates to a historical price to earning ratio or PER of 12.65 times. Fast forward to the first 9 months of financial year 2024, Winstar recorded a profit after tax or PAT of RM 6.99 billion. By simply projecting this figure on a 12-month prorated basis, Winstar indicative PAT for financial year 2024 could reach RM 9.32 million. This gives us a forward PER of 10.89 times, which is cheaper than the historical PER of 12.65 times. Growth momentum and PAT margin. Now let's talk about growth. In the first 9 months of financial year 2024, Winstar revenue hit RM 147.93 million, which is already close to the RM 153.69 billion it generated in the entire financial year 2023. If we extrapolate this 9-month figure on a prorated basis, Winstar financial year 2024 revenue could potentially reach RM 200 million. What about its profitability? Winstar PAT margin for the first 9 months of financial year 2024 stands at 4.73%. This is consistent with its previous performance where margins were 4.79% in the financial year 2022 and 5.22% in the financial year 2023. In short, Winstar's margin remains stable with no major deviations from its past trends. My key takeaway from Winstar's latest quarterly earnings numbers is that Winstar is showing strong revenue momentum and stable profitability with a forward PER that looks more attractive compared to its historical valuation. What are Winstar's future growth drivers? First one, expanding aluminium market size. The aluminium extrusion market is projected to grow to 113.84 billion by 2028, driven by demand from EVs, smart cities, and eco-friendly packaging. Quote an example, a growing EV manufacturer prioritizing lightweight materials may partner with Winstar for aluminum components to enhance the vehicle's efficiency. And second, solar energy booms in Malaysia. The LSS5 program with a 2,000 megawatts solar quota represents a huge opportunity for Winstar. Manufacturing solar PV mounting structures in-house will enable Winstar to tap into a potential of RM 200 to 300 million market size. Example, a solar EPCC company like Sunview sources Winstar's mounting structures for large-scale solar farms, ensuring timely delivery and reliability. Third, advantage over Chinese competitors. With China government recent removal of aluminum's export subsidies with effect from 1st December this year, this helps to level the playing fields, allowing local players like Winstar to compete on quality, speed, and custom solution. For example, a local distributor may now prefer Winstar over Chinese suppliers for faster delivery and the flexibility to fulfill small, customized orders. Going forward, Winstar Capital can choose to expand into new industries like automotive, electronics, and packaging. Its aluminum solutions will power growth. With plans to increase production capacity and diversify its offering, Winstar Capital is set to be a key player in shaping a sustainable future. Example, imagine a packaging company looking for eco-friendly materials partners with Winstar to design recyclable aluminum containers, meeting rising consumers' demand for green solutions. Finally, there are always two sides to a coin. Whether this catalyst will truly propel Winstar Capital to new heights ultimately depends on one critical factor, that is, how effectively Winstar's management executes their business plan. This is my major takeaway from the various ongoing developments related to the aluminium industry. On a side note, several analysts have projected higher fair value for Winstar Capital Berhad, indicating potential upside from its initial public offering price of RM 0.35 per share. Notable assessments include from first, Malacca Securities Sdn Berhad, which assigned a fair value of RM 0.56 per share, representing a 60% increase from the IPO price. Times pegged to the forecasted earnings per share of 3.75 cents for the fiscal year 2025. Second is from Public Investment Bank Berhad, which estimated a fair value of RM 0.48 per share, suggesting a 37% upside. This is derived from a PE multiple of 13 times applied to the projected fiscal year 2025 EPS of 3.7. The third analyst from RHB, which ascribed a 12-time PE to its financial year 2025 forward earnings to derive at fair value of 61 cents. The valuation is in line with the 12.2 times one-year forward PE of its international peers. And last but not least, from Mercury Securities Berhad, which recommended subscribing to the IPO with a fair value of RM 0.52 per share, indicating a 47 potential increase. This valuation is based on a 10 times PE ratio of the estimated fiscal year 2025 EPS. To me, this valuation reflects analysts' positive outlook on Winstar's capital growth prospect, particularly its expansion in aluminium extrusion capacity and ventures into the solar PV industry. The company's strategic initiatives, such as increasing production capacity and diversifying into renewable energy sectors, are expected to drive earnings growth in the coming years. For myself, at current moment, I plan to put this counter under my watch list and observe how well its top management execute its business plan in the near future. And I also want to see an improvement on the company's overall cash flow going forward. Please be reminded that this is not financial advice. You should consider this projection in the context of your own individual investment objective and risk tolerance. As usual, make sure you do your own due diligence before making any investment decision. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you again in the next one. Bye.